If you can post an image on Facebook, use Facebook Messenger, upload videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and/or post free and paid ads, you can make money working from home. As a member of our Cash App Extractor, everything you'll need to start is included and explained right here on our website, such as images to use on social media, a list of high-traffic Facebook marketing groups, free videos you can upload on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Every time someone you invite who wants in on the excitement, fun, and profit joins, you'll earn instant $10 Cash App payments. Very important, although totally optional. If earning even more income and affiliate commissions is something you're interested in, you can do so by joining the bonus affiliate money-making programs already built into the system. If you're ready for some real Cash App extraction with your very own Cash App Extractor money-making website, simply follow the instructions down below or get back to the individual who sent you to this video, and let's get you Cash App extracting.